How do you take apart a piece of IKEA furniture? First, move the teddy bear. Pull out the easy shelves. Remove the door hinges with a Phillips screw. All the screws except for the top. Support the bottom with your foot, then remove the top. Then remove the door. Put the screws back in so you don't lose. Do the same thing to the second door. Remove the plastic tabs that hold in the shelves. Pull the bar out. These two shelves are main support. They're held in with an offset cam so you go a quarter turn. All four corners. On the back of the unit, there's a piece of cardboard that you need to pull off. With a flathead screwdriver, pry up the nails carefully and pull out the nails. This could be one of the more challenging parts. Pliers can be helpful for this. Leave one nail at the top so the whole thing doesn't flop out, and then remove all the rest of them. Then remove the back. Loosen up all the quarter turn fasteners, including the one at the very bottom. Remove the Phillips screw on the bottom plate. Remove the kick plate. We'll give a tap to separate the sides. Tap it until it starts pulling apart. Separate it on all the sides. Remove the side panels. Make sure none of the hardware gets lost. Now we've got something nice and compact.